Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a laundry service website for a laundry business. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. Don't forget to like and share this video. So this is a sample of a laundry service website that we are going to design. So let me refresh the page. So by the end of the video, you'll be able to design something like this. So the only thing I want you to do is make sure you have your laundry images ready, write-ups ready to, because this particular website you are going to design it without writing any code. You're going to design it in less than 1 hour, and this particular website will be ready. So you need to get everything you need for, like this particular image, all these images, you get it ready. Any write-up that you don't like here, you get it ready. Your about us page, about your business, about your laundry business, you get it ready, because that is the only thing you are going to change. If you have a branding color, then I will also show you how you can change the branding colors. So this is a professional looking laundry website. You can see it. So this is the type of website we are going to design in this particular video. See how it look professional, professionally made. So no doubt, this looks good. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first thing you need domain and hosting for your website, so that you'll be able to install WordPress, because without installing WordPress you cannot design this particular website. So you need WordPress, and for you to get WordPress, you get your domain and hosting. So I put a link in the description to the video of how to get your WordPress installed. So go and watch that video in case you don't have a WordPress dashboard. But if you already have a WordPress dashboard, then let's proceed. The first thing you need is, by default, this is our website. This is how our website look by default. So let me refresh it. So you can see this is how our website look by default. So but we need to change it and give it a professional look. So the first thing, come to appearance, click on themes. Then you click on add theme. We need a very professional compatible theme for our template. So the theme you're going to use is this particular theme called Hello Elementor. Click on install. If you didn't find it here, just search for it here and you find it. So you click on activate. So once you're done activating it, then let's refresh our website, so you see that there is still small changes. So you can see now there is a change. So that means we have installed a beta theme. So the next thing is plugins. So plugins are just like JavaScript. They are what facilitate or help your website functionalities to work. So we are going to install plugins. So click on plugin, click on installed plugins. So you can leave this particular Lightspeed cache. Any caching plugin that comes by default with your website, you can leave it, because caching help your website speed. So you can leave it. But the most important plugins we need only 2 plugins. Click on add plugin. These 2 plugins will help us install the rest plugin needed for this particular project. So now search for Elementor. So we need Elementor. That is the first plugin that we need in order for us. So this is Elementor. So install Elementor. So once we are done, then the next particular plugin we need is a template kit import. So we need this particular plugin. So once you search for template kit import, you scroll down to find it. See it here. Sometimes you may search for it and it will be at the top. Just install it. You may search for it and it will be at the top. So once you find it, install it. Then once you are done installing it, then the next thing to do is you click on installed plugin. Then you click on this to activate all of them once. Click on bulk action, activate, apply. Then you have activated the plugin. So once you are done, the next thing we need is we need to create pages. So take for instance, if you come to website have different pages. We have the home page, we have the about us, we have the services. Those things are called pages. So let me show you how you can create one. So come to pages, click on all pages. So you may see some default pages, trash them, but you can leave this privacy policy. Later you add your privacy policy, and so let me just publish this particular privacy policy as a page. So let me just publish it. You see how I did just shortcut. So this is my privacy policy page. But let's create a home page, because that is where we are going to work on. So you click on add page. We are going to design a home page. So whatever I'm going to do on this particular home page, that is what we are going to do in other pages. So this video I will only create the home page, so you can go ahead and design other pages. So you type home. So once you type, you come to display the root template, click on default, change it to Elementor canvas or full width. But in my own case, I prefer full width because everything done on this website is Elementor. Then you publish. So I'm done. So now by default, this particular page is not yet our home page. So how can we make it to be our home page? For us to make it to be our home page, we scroll down, come to settings, then click on reading. So once you click on reading, then by default your latest post is your home page. So if I go to blog post now and publish any post, automatically it will come to the home page. So you click on a static page, then this particular home page, you select the home page, then you save changes. So automatically the home page is set to home. So let's go back to the page, click all pages. So now home page, front page. So you can see now, so we have successfully created the home page. Now since we are done creating the home page, adding the theme, then it's time for us to bring in, import the template for this particular project. So it's time for us to import the templates for this particular project. So in order for us to import that template, what we are going to do is you scroll down to tools, you can see template kit, click on it. So click on it. So once you click on it, then you click here to upload your template, or here to upload your template. So don't worry, I'll show you where to get the template. So I'll click here. So I'll show you where to get the template. So keep watching so you will know how to upload it. Make sure you get the template so that you can follow along with this video. So you click on here, then you upload. So it's loading, it's processing here. Once you see processing, it means that your template is uploading. So it doesn't take time. Within few minutes or few seconds, depending on the strength of your internet connection, it will load fast. So now you can see that we have imported the template. You can see it. So you can see it, everything live. So like I said, this is the home page. This is the one I'm going to work on. Then once you am done, then you use the same procedure to add your service page, about us page, store location page, pricing page, book now page, any page that you want here, then you add it. Contact us page. So all of them you add it by yourself. So now once you install this particular template, you see requirement here, 2 requirements. Click on install requirement, click on install. Make sure you install the requirement, any requirement. Sometimes it will pop 4 or 5 or 3. So you close. So the notification is gone. Then the next thing, import the style kit. So you must import this style kit. If not, your design will not look the same way as this. So once you are done, then you are good to go. So let me show you how you can get this particular template. So I'll put the link to this page in the description. So you check the link in the description, you'll find the link to this particular page. So if you used to purchase things online with your Google Pay or Apple Pay, you click here. If you are using Android devices or if you see Apple Pay over here, click on it. Then you're going to, once your payment is successful, they're going to send you an email of this particular template, and also a page to download this particular template to be shown to you. Then if you're using any Apple devices, it will show you Apple Pay over here. But if you don't have any of this option, or you wish to pay with your credit card or debit card, then you click on add to cart. So once you click on add to cart, then it will take us to checkout page. So cart page. So here now, I think I had something added to cart before, so let me just remove one. So now you can see the price is 9.99. so click on proceed to checkout. So once you click on proceed to checkout, you will land on this page. So enter your first name, last name, country, email address here, then enter your card details. This particular payment is secured by Stripe payment gateway, the most trusted payment gateway in the whole world right now. So it's powered by Stripe. So enter your card details, click on buy now. Once this payment is successful, you are going to get an email that contains this particular template. So you can download it as many times as you want, and also a dashboard that you download it will show immediately. So you can download it immediately, or you can go later to your email and download it from your email. So once you are done downloading it, you come over here, click here to upload it, or you come back, you come here, you're going to see the way I did it before, or you click here to upload it. Either here or here, you upload it and you're going to get the same result. So once you are done, then let's go and work on our home page. So come to all pages. So let's work on our home page. So once you click on all pages, then click on edit page, this home page. So once you click on edit page, then click on edit with Elementor, because we are going to use that Elementor. Elementor is what we are going to use to design this particular website. So you click on edit with Elementor, then it will take you to Elementor page, where we are going to design and recreate the website without writing any single line of code. So once Elementor is loaded, the next thing you are going to do is you click here, then you click on view installed kit. Then let's import the home page. I think it's down here. So import home page. So we are going to insert this particular template. So once we insert it, then we'll work on it. So the same way I did for this home page, use the same way to do for you go and create a page for about us page. Then you edit it with Elementor, then import this about us page. Same way for service page, same way for this particular one, same way for this particular page, pricing page, and any page that you need. You may need only 3 pages, you may need only 4 pages to import them to and work on it. So that's how you can do it. So anything I do on this particular home page, you can also do it on other pages. So as you can see, our home page has been imported successfully. So you can see it now. So this particular image, if you need it, just click on it and change it to your own business image. So how do they achieve this image? You get an image and remove the background of that image. You can get a graphic designer to give you a professional image, or a photographer. So remove the background of that image and upload it here. Just click on choose image, then you click on upload, select file, and boom, you upload it. So that's how you can upload image. You can change this particular text. Once you click here now, you can see this particular one here is here, fresh laundry. So you can change that particular fresh laundry over here. But if you want to change this effortless, see it here, effortless laundry, that's the subtitle. So you can change it for urban living. Let's say let me change it for rural. So you can see now it will change. Just watch. You can see for rural living. So they had urban, I changed to rural. So you can change anything. If you want to change the typography of this, just come to style. Once you come to style, you come to the subtitle. So you click on subtitle, you see this typography, click on typography, then you can change it to any font of your choice. So you can see I just changed the typography just now. So you can change it typography. You want to change the color of the text, you can see the color here now. See is white, so you can change it to any color of your choice, so that's how you can change the color. So you can see it, I just changed it, so you can change the color. Then this particular background image, click here, then you click on style. You can see the image. The image is okay, it's not the background, it's the overlay. Not the overlay. Okay, wait, so let me just add the background image first. Let me add the background image. Okay, see it here. It's not the background of this particular container, it's the background of this particular box. So because this particular one now is the main container, so they added this particular flex box inside the container. You can see it, they added this particular flex box layer container. See it here, container. They added a container inside a container. So the first container doesn't have background image, the second container does. So you click here, so this is the container for this whole box. So once you click it, come to style, you change to your own image. So once you click on choose image, you can upload your you don't, for in your own case, you may not have any image in your media library. The reason why you see these images is because I import. Okay, you have these particular imported images though, but you may not have other related images. Like this one is from the website that I worked on earlier. So let's say I want to upload. Click on upload file, click on select file. Once you click on select file, you select file from your PC. So then, or you can find any other image. So let me say I want to use this image there as my laundry background. You will see that that particular image will change. So once it change, it will take a little time for it to bring back the whole editing. So if you want to change this particular name and location, just click on it. You can see now everything is back. You can see that that background changed. So I've changed that background, so you can change it. So this particular countdown, click on it. Sorry, it just disappeared, so it will come back. So let's say you want to change this particular. Okay, it's back now. So just click on it, this countdown, click on the countdown, then you see the countdown is they say 25 years. So content, see this 23, you can change it to, let's say, 15. That's the content. Then you see the title, years of experience, you can change it to anything. So once it reach 15, it will stop. 15 years of experience. That's how you can change this particular one. So what I did, just do it that way. Color of this particular one, once you click on it, come to style, make sure it's the button. Once when anything you're editing, check here is the button. So the button color, background, let's change background. You will see now I've just changed the background color. You can change the text color too. You see text color here, so let's change to white. So now you come back to this content and put link to your pickup page. If the pickup is your phone number, you put link to your phone number there. If it is an email, you put link to an email. If it's a page, maybe your contact page, you put link. And if you created a dedicated page to schedule pickup, you add link to that page here. So this one too is just like a button trying to show you about scheduling. So if you want to link it out also to a page, you can also link it, but I don't think this one need to be linked out, just explaining this particular button. So you can see, so you can, let me change this particular image so that I will show you that everything here can be changed totally. You can select any image of your choice. So in my own case, let me just find one image here that I like. Let me just use this particular one. No, let me use this one. It look more, you see, I told you just change any image. So make sure that the image you are using is have a transparent background so it will fit in and explain your business better. Click here to change this particular text. Once you click here now, you see this location and give this particular give direction. This give direction, get the direction is here now. You may add link to your Google map location here. So you can add link to your Google map location or that location page. If you come to that particular box, you have, I think, let me go to the default website. I think we have something like a location page. So you can install that location page. So pages, you see, store location. So you are going to add link of your location page. So go, you create the page the same way I did to create this home page. Create location page so you can work on it. So once you click here now, you want to change something here, just come to icon box. That is where you can change anything here. So let's say Sun Central. Then here now you write the direction here. You can see it number, let me say number 2 3 4 5 6 7. See, it will show there. So this is how you can change here anything you want here now. So you see 2 3 4 5 6 7. This countdown, click on this countdown. Then the same way I did content 1250, you change it. So you can see content, you change it to any number you want. Change this particular write-up to anything you want. This particular place, click on it. So this page is a slideshow. So once you click on it, come to style. Let me check. Okay, the content is logo. So come to logo. Here now you get the logo of any business you want. So you click on this particular first one, you change logo. So let me select one logo here now. The first one, let me choose this logo. So you are going to see, you see. So you can use the same way to add logos of the partners you have worked with. So if you have partners that you have worked with, you have to add their logos to increase your trust. So if you don't want this particular page, just click here and you delete it if you don't have partners yet. So here, click on this image, you change it here. The same way to change text, click here now. This particular text is the subtitle. So see the subtitle, laundry service modern living. See it here. You change it, click here, you change the write-up, and the same way here. Once you click on this, this is an icon box. Click on it. You click on, you find, click on icon box. You can be able to change this fresh result. See it here, and the description. See it here. Change it. So you want to change the background color of this particular place to suit your own business background. Click here, click on style. So you see the background color here, change it. Any background color that suits your business, you change to that background color. So let me find green and let's go for a dark green. You see? So this is how you can change background color of this. Just click here. Then once you click on this, click on style. I think am I in this particular background? Click here, click on style, then click on advanced. Let's find the background. Click on background, click on color. You see where I went to? I went to advanced. So let's say I'm choosing this color, and you can see I just changed the color of this particular one. You can see that when I hover over another color, come to here, click on hover, change the color of the hover too. Let's say I'm choosing hover to be the same color too. So let's so when I hover, you can see when I hover, you can see. So normal background is a bit lighter, so let's bring it down. So now when I hover, you can see, you notice the difference. So that is how it is. So that's how you can change this particular place. So other things, you know how you can change other things. So that's how you can change and rebrand. Click here. Let me know whether this particular image is in the background. So it's not in the background, so it is in this container. So click here to remove that image. Click style, and the image will be here. I think is an overlay. So see it in overlay. So it's an overlay image. So change it. Click here to change it. You can see that this thing there, like white behind this particular thing, is designed together with the image. So for you to have a professional design, you need to also have a professional images with you. When you have professional images, those professional images is going to help you get a professional design. So that is how you see how they did everything in the image and used it here. So that's how what you're going to do. So you can see. So here now you can just add link to your payment gateway. So if you are using any payment gateway to collect payment, add your price, just copy the link, click order now, see where you can add the link. Just add the link to that payment gateway. So payment processor, the same thing here. So you can change the colors of this thing just like the way I did. So this is how you can edit the home page. If you encounter any difficulty editing this home page, just drop your question in the comment section. I answer every question. Also, my contact details will be in the description, so you can contact me too. So let's publish. So once we publish, then it's publishing. So this particular page is the blog page. So once you add blog posts, then it will populate here. So let's go back to our, you can see sontrobadigital.com/YT. So you can see everything we did, every changes. We changed this color, we changed this image, we changed the background image. These are the few editing that we did. We changed the background color and the color of this. So you can see you can edit literally everything here to suit your own brand. So you can see it, everything. So here now, once we add blog post, all the posts will appear here automatically. So you can see. So now it's left for us to add the footer and the header. You can see we don't have header. So that's it. So now let's go back. So we are done with the home page and it is looking beautiful. So let's go back. So once we are back, you then go back again. I would like us to create the menu. So I want us to create menu. I already have menu, so click on menu. So once you come to menu here, you click on, I already have my menu as main menu, so click on this particular menu, add to menu. So I will now save menu. Let me delete this for the home page I was working on before. So so now I'll just remove it. So I remove that one, just save. So that was the home page of the previous website I created. So the menu has been saved. The reason why I created this menu is because once we start working on the header, we are going to need that menu. So if you don't know how to create menu, once you come over here, you click here, create a new menu. Once you click on it, then you write the menu name here. Then you create menu. So that's how you can create your own menu in case you don't have menu. So now let's come here. So we need one extra plugin. So come to plugins. We need this extra plugin to create the header and footer of the website. So you can see we added only 2 plugins then, but after installing the template, we were able to get 2 more plugins. So but I need this particular plugin that I'm going to install is for us to create the header and footer of this particular website. So add plugin, click on add plugin, then you search for Elements Kit. Elements Kit. That's the plugin we are going to use to create the header and footer of this website. So see it here. So install it. So once you are done, you activate. So we have activated this. So see it over here. Then click on header footer. So once you click on header footer, then you come here and click on add new template. This is header. You can write any name. The most important thing is this place they wrote header. Make sure it's header. If you change it to footer, it will go to the footer. But this is the header. So that is the only thing. This title, you can write anything. So you click on save or activate, then you click on save changes. Click on edit content. So we'll go to the Elementor page and edit this particular header. So once the Elementor page loads successfully, just click here, just like we did on the home page. Then you click on view installed kit. We're looking for header. So see it, header, insert template. So we are working on this particular header of the website. So it's installing the header. So the header has been installed successfully. See it here. It has been installed. Let's check the original website. So you can see header here. You can see header here. So see the reason why I have to create the menu, so that the menu will come over here. So once you are done, you publish. Here now, click here to choose logo. You can upload your logo. Just click here, select file, upload your website logo, or you choose your logo. So let me choose one logo to show you that you can equally change it there. So let me choose that logo. So that's the logo I selected. Then book now. This particular page should take them to your contact page or service page. So you put the link here, then you publish. So let's refresh our website. So you will see. So once you can see we have the header, everything, you see. So you see the original website. These are the menus. So see our logo changed. So you can change your own logo. So once you are done with the header, then we go back to create the footer of the website. So click on add new template. Then here now is footer. Like I said, you can add any name, footer, but the most important thing is here. So click on activate, save changes. So once you are done saving changes, you click on edit, click on edit content. Then it's time for us to edit the footer too. So you can see in less than 1 hour, a website is almost ready. So that is how to get your website ready fast using templates. So you can see it literally change everything. So now click here. Once we click there, then let's click on view installed kit. Then we are looking for the footer. So let's see the footer here, insert. It will insert the footer of this website. So it's loading. It doesn't take time. If your website internet speed is very fast, it will just, you can see, very fast. So now you can see our footer has been embedded successfully. So now here now is where you can see this particular place, you create form. So here now you create form. I think you can select any form here now, but for here is newsletter. So just find a newsletter form. Don't go for any pro. So all these places are pro. So if you want, you just create a new form, then click on blank, so that you'll be able to create let's say just for them to enter their email. So that's how, just name it. So let's just do small practical. So it will take us to another page. So let's say news later. Yes. So blank edit form. Just a quick one. Just a quick one is opening another another page. So you just open another page. Let me just show you how you can do this very fast. Click here, then it's loading. Just the way you edit Elementor, that's how it is. The way you edit Elementor. So here now, you drag and drop email. So you add drag and drop email, then you drag and drop the submit button. See? So now you can leave it this way, or maybe let's say I want to align them. So what I'm going to do is click here. This is a bit as you can see, this is a little bit technical, so let's just leave it this way. Then click on publish, update and close. See it, so the newsletter form is here, so that's what I'm trying to. So once somebody enter email, the person will just submit. So you can see it. So you can now click here now, change the logo. You can see the logo here. Then the right top here now, let me see, the right top here now is the body. So you see the body, that's where the right top comes from. So you do the right top, change it, add anything there. Phone number, click here, then you come to icon box, see the phone number here, you change it, you change the phone number. The same way your email, you come to icon box. Once you click it, come down to icon box, see your email here. So let's say, let me put my email in case you want to contact me. This is my email. So you can see now it will appear here. So that's it. So if you want to, it is still loading. So if you want to change any of these pages, so you can see, so this email is appearing here, but let's see why it's not actually showing the whole email length. Okay, maybe when I publish it, I will see what happened. So if I publish it, it is supposed to show, because once you close it here, everything's supposed to show. So let's see the email. And that means I will have to extend this particular bit. That's not the issue. Okay, let's just change here now. So come over here, you want to change anything, just click any of them. About us, about, you can just see it's changed to about, then you put the link to about us page here. So then here now, all right reserved. Here now I'm going to change all right reserved, then subtitle, all right reserved. See, so you can see I have removed that. So then title, let's say sons, so sons laundry. So you can change it there. You see, so you can change it. This social icon, click here. You want to add your Twitter link, add it here. Take for instance, this is my Twitter link. Let's assume this is my Twitter link. Copy it, come over here, then paste it. Once somebody click on it, it goes direct to my Twitter. So you use the same way to edit all these things. So once you are done, you click on publish. So once you are done publishing, let's refresh our home page. So let's refresh our home page. So let's scroll down to the footer of the website. So as you can see, everything ready. So you can see, so we have professional looking laundry website. So here now, let's go and add some posts. So it will populate there. Just add image to one post. So you come to your post, all posts. So if you want to add new post, click here to add new post. So let's just add new post. So let's add title, tests. So I'll just say tests. Add the featured image over here. So I'm adding a featured image over there. Okay, so let's use this. Let's use this as our featured image set, then publish. So once we are done, we refresh. You can see it. So see the post, see the first one. So if I edit that first one and add feature image, it will also appear here. So that is how you can change this particular section. So if you have watched this video to this end, I want you to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video, you get notified. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I read and respond to every comment. So let me know in the comment section if you successfully got this particular template for yourself, for a friend, for a client, for a business. Let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.